Papers to be laid on the table. Sri Narendra Singh Tomar.
सभापति महोदय, मैं आपकी अनुमति से आज की राज्यसभा की पुनरीक्षित कार्यसूची में क्रम संख्या 1 पर अपने नाम के सम्मुख अंकित प्रपत्र क्रमशः हिंदी और अंग्रेजी सभा पटल पर रखता हूं।
श्री प्रहलाद सिंह पटेल।
माननीय सभापति महोदय, मैं आज की संशोधित कार्यसूची में मेरे नाम के समक्ष उल्लिखित क्रम संख्या 2 पर के दस्तावेज पटल पर रखता हूं, जो निपटम के नियमों से संबंधित है और नेशनल मीट एंड पोल्ट्री बोर्ड की वार्षिक रिपोर्ट है।
श्री अश्विनी कुमार चौबे।
माननीय सभापति महोदय, मैं आपकी अनुमति से आज की संशोधित कार्यसूची में क्रम संख्या 3 पर अपने नाम के सामने सूचीबद्ध कागजात को सभा पटल पर प्रस्तुत करता हूं।
श्री कृष्णपाल जी।
आदरणीय सभापति महोदय, मैं आपकी अनुमति से आज की संशोधित कार्यसूची की क्रम संख्या 4 पर मेरे नाम के सामने सूचीबद्ध दस्तावेजों को सदन के पटल पर रखता हूं।
श्री वी मुरलीधरन।
Respected Chairman, sir, with your permission, on behalf of my colleague Sri Danve Rao Sahib Dadarao ji, I rise to lay the papers listed against his name at serial number 5 in today's revised list of business.
Sri V Muralidharan again.
Sir, with your permission, on behalf of my colleague Sadhvi Niranjan Jyoti ji, I rise to lay the papers listed against her name at serial number 6 in today's revised list of business.
Sri Pankaj Chaudhary.
माननीय सभापति जी, मैं आज की संशोधित कार्यसूची में मेरे नाम के सामने लिखित कागजात आपकी अनुमति से सदन पटल पर रखता हूं।
श्रीमती अनुप्रिया सिंह पटेल।
Chairman, sir, I rise to lay on the table of the House papers mentioned against my name at serial number 8 in today's revised list of business.
Sri V Muralidharan.
Respected Chairman, sir, with your permission, on behalf of my colleague Sustri Shobha Karadale ji, I rise to lay the papers listed against her name at serial number 9 in today's revised list of business.
Srimati Darshana Vikram Jardosh.
Sir, with your permission, I rise to lay on the table of the House papers mentioned against my name at the serial number 10 as per the today's revised list of business.
Srimati Anupriya Singh Patel again. ठीक है, आप छोड़ दीजिए. And then Sri Kailash Chaudhary.
माननीय सभापति मोदी जी, आपकी अनुमति से मैं आज की राज्यसभा की संशोधित कार्यसूची में मेरे नाम के सम्मुख मत संख्या 12 पर उल्लिखित पत्र सदन के सभा पटल पर रखता हूं.
श्री देवी सिंह चौहान.
Honorable Chairman, sir, I rise with your kind permission to lay on the table of the House the papers mentioned against my name at serial number 13 in today's revised list of business.
Now, I have an observation to make. The ministers who are supposed to lay papers on the table of the House, having given notice to the chair, they should not be absent in the House, number one. In extreme circumstances, there will be some occasions, I have experience in 20 years here. If there is any problem, they must approach the chair in advance and then seek permission. So, some of them are doing it, but others are thinking it's casual. It cannot be casual, it cannot be usual. I will not allow such things in future. Because the leader of the House also is here and also the Parliament Affairs Minister, I hope they take notice. I am not objecting others laying it on their behalf with prior notice and prior permission. So this has to be kept in mind. Srimati Anupriya Singh Patel.
Chairman, sir, on behalf of my colleague Shri Som Prakash ji, I rise
that applies to all people who do not respect the Parliament.
Mentioned against his name in today's revised list of business. Thank you.
Report of the Committee on Government Assurances, Sri A. Namanitha Krishnan.
Thank you, Honorable Chairman, sir. I rise to present the 75th report in English and Hindi of the Committee on Government Assurances.
Reports of the Committee on papers laid on the table of Rajya Sabha, Sri K.C. Ramamurthy.
माननीय सभापति जी, मैं आज की कार्यसूची में अपने नाम के सामने यथा सूचीबद्ध राज्यसभा की सभा पटल पर रखे गए पत्रों संबंधी समिति के 164वें और 165वें प्रतिवेदन की हिंदी और अंग्रेजी
ये रिकॉर्ड पे नहीं जाएगा. When you stand up, you must first look at the face of the chairman and then start reading. मैंने आपका नाम लिया नहीं, मैंने केसी राममूर्ति के बारे में बोला.
उन्होंने मुझे अधिकृत किया था सर.
सुनिए ना, केसी राममूर्ति है हाउस में
जी. नहीं, उन्होंने मुझे अधिकृत किया है, इसलिए मैं तो खड़ा हुआ.
मैं अधिकृत करना है जी.
समझ गया सर.
समझ गया ना. हाँ, अभी बोलिए. सिस्टम सिंह यादव जी.
माननीय सभापति जी, मैं आज की कार्यसूची में अपने नाम के सामने यथा सूचीबद्ध राज्यसभा की सभा पटल पर रखे गए पत्रों संबंधी समिति के 164वें और 165वें प्रतिवेदन की हिंदी और अंग्रेजी संस्करण की एक एक प्रति सभा पटल पर प्रस्तुत करता हूं.
धन्यवाद जी. बैठिए. हरनाथ सिंह यादव जी बहुत श्रम करते, पढ़ के आते, अध्ययन करते, ये तो बहुत अभिनंदनीय है, मगर साथ ही साथ थोड़ा चेयर के वर्क भी देखते रहना चाहिए. Reports of the Department Related Parliamentary Standing Committee on Transport, Tourism and Culture. Sri T.G. Venkatesh.
Respected Chairman, sir, I rise to present the report in English and Hindi of the Department Related Parliamentary Standing Committee on Transport, Tourism and Culture. The 301st report on the action taken by the government on the recommendations, observations contained in its 287th report on the demands for grants 21-22 year of Ministry of Road Transport and Highways. 302nd report on the action taken by the government on the recommendations, observations contained in its 291st report on the demands for grants 21-22 year, sir, of Ministry of Civil Aviation. 303rd report on the action taken by the government on the recommendations, observations contained in its 299th report on the demands for grants 21-22 year of Ministry of Ports, Shipping and Waterways. Thank you, sir.
Sri T.G. Venkatesh and Sri Ram Gopal, Professor Ram Gopal Yadav, and also Sri Jairam Ramesh, and some more members who are the chairman of the standing committees. They are known for taking up number of meetings and also giving timely report, and I appreciate them, and I hope others also will follow and see to it that the standing committees for which they are chairman, they are held regularly and reports are also given at the earliest. Right. Yeah. So we will refer one to start with on Monday. Report of the Department Related Parliamentary Standing Committee on Coal, Mines and Steel. Dr. Vikas Mahatme.
Respected Chairman, sir, with your kind permission, I lay on the table a copy in English and Hindi of the 27th report of the Department-related Parliamentary Standing Committee on Coal, Mines and Steel, 2021 and 22, on action taken by the government on the observations, recommendations contained in its 21st report, 17th Lok Sabha, on safety, management and practices in steel PSUs relating to the Ministry of Steel.
Reports of the Department Related Parliamentary Standing Committee on Social Justice and Empowerment. Sri Ram Kumar Verma.
माननीय सभापति जी, आपकी अनुमति से मैं आज की संशोधित कार्यावली में मेरे नाम के समक्ष सूचीबद्ध सामाजिक न्याय और अधिकारिता संबंधी समिति 2021-22 का 27वां, 28वां, 29वां प्रतिवेदन की एक एक प्रति अंग्रेजी एवं हिंदी में सभा पटल पर रखता हूँ. धन्यवाद.
Statements of the Department of Parliament Standing Committee on Defence. Dr. Ashok Bajpai.
माननीय सभापति जी, आपकी अनुज्ञा से मैं आज की कार्यसूची में मेरे नाम के समक्ष यथा सूचीबद्ध रक्षा संबंधी स्थायी समिति के 12वें, 37वें, 45वें, 46वें, 47वें, 48वें और 49वें प्रतिवेदन 16वीं लोकसभा के अध्याय 1 और अध्याय 5 में अंतर्विष्ट सिफारिशों पर सरकार के अंतिम की गई कार्यवाही विवरण हिंदी और अंग्रेजी संस्करण की एक एक प्रति सभा पटल पर रखता हूं.
स्टेटमेंट बाय मिनिस्टर्स. डॉक्टर भारती प्रवीण पवार.
Honorable Chairman, sir, on behalf of my senior colleague Dr. Mansukh Manviya ji, I wish to inform the House in pursuance of the provisions of Rule 266 of the Rules of Procedure and Conduct of Business, the status of implementation indicated in the statement being laid on the table of the House of various recommendations contained in the 118th and 125th, 119th and 124th report of the Department-related Parliamentary Standing Committee on Health and Family Welfare in respect of demands for grants 2021 of Department of Health and Family Welfare and Department of Health Research, respectively. Thank you.
Srimati Anupriya Singh Patel.
Chairman, sir, with your kind permission, I lay on the table the statement regarding the status of implementation of the recommendations contained in the 155th report of the Department-related Parliamentary Standing Committee on Commerce on the action taken by the government on the recommendations contained in its 150th report on the export of organic products, challenges and opportunities. Thank you.
Sri Rameshwar Taidi.
सभापति महोदय, मैं आपकी अनुमति से निम्नलिखित पत्र सभा पटल पर रखता हूं। श्रम और रोजगार मंत्रालय की अनुदान मांगे 2019-20 के संबंध में विभाग संबंधी श्रम, वस्त्र और कौशल विकास संबंधी संसदीय स्थायी समिति के पहले प्रतिवेदन की सिफारिशों के कार्यान्वयन की स्थिति, श्रम और रोजगार मंत्रालय की अनुदान मांगों 2020-21 के संबंध में विभाग संबंधी श्रम, वस्त्र और कौशल विकास संबंधी संसदीय स्थायी समिति के 5वें प्रतिवेदन की सिफारिशों के कार्यान्वयन की स्थिति, श्रम और रोजगार मंत्रालय की अनुदान मांगों 2021-22 के संबंध में विभाग संबंधी श्रम, वस्त्र और कौशल विकास संबंधी संसदीय स्थायी समिति के 17वें प्रतिवेदन की सिफारिशों के कार्यान्वयन की स्थिति।
देव सिंह चौहान।
Chairman sir, in pursuance of the direction 35 of the Honorable Chairman Rajya Sabha, I would like to lay statement showing status of implementation on the recommendations, observations contained in the 21st report and 23rd report of Standing Committee on Communication and Information Technology on India's preparedness for 5G and demands for grants 2021-22, respectively, pertaining to Department of Telecommunication on the table of the House without taking valuable time of the House.
Motion for election to the Council of National Institute of Food Technology, Entrepreneurship and Management. Sri Pasupati Kumar Paras.
जी पशुपति कुमार पारस
जी,
राष्ट्रीय खाद्य प्रौद्योगिक उद्यमशीलता और प्रबंध संस्थान अधिनियम 2021 की धारा 29(1) के साथ गठित पठित उक्त अधिनियम की धारा 28(2) के अनुसरण में यह सभा उस रीति से जैसा सभापति निर्देश दें, सभा के सदस्यों में से एक सदस्य को उक्त अधिनियम के अंतर्गत गठित राष्ट्रीय खाद्य प्रौद्योगिक उद्यमशीलता एवं प्रबंध संस्थान की परिषद का सदस्य होने के लिए निर्वाचित करने की कार्यवाही करें।
Motion moved. Those in favor will please say aye. Those against will please say no. I think the ayes have it, the ayes have it, the ayes have it. The motion is adopted. Statement regarding government business. Sri Muralidharan. Sri Muralidharan.
Honorable Chairman, sir, with your permission, I rise to announce that government business for the remaining part of the 255th session of Rajya Sabha may consist of consideration of any items of government business carried over from today's order paper. It contains discussion on statutory resolution seeking disapproval of the Narcotic Drugs and Psychotropic Substances Amendment Ordinance 2021, number 8 of 2021, promulgated by the President of India on 30th September 2021, and consideration and passing of the Narcotic Drugs and Psychotropic Substances Amendment Bill 2021 as passed by Lok Sabha. 2. Consideration and return of the Appropriation number 5 Bill 2021 after it is passed by the Lok Sabha. 3rd, consideration and passing of the Mediation Bill 2021. 4. Consideration and passing of the following bills after they are passed by Lok Sabha. 1. The Wildlife Protection Amendment Bill 2021, the National Anti-Doping Bill 2021, the Chartered Accountants, the Cost and Works Accountants and the Company Secretaries Amendment Bill 2021. 5. Consideration passing of the following bills after their introduction. 1. The Prohibition of Child Marriage Amendment Bill 2021. 2. The Election Laws Amendment Bill 2021.
Honorable members, today I had a talk with the leader of the House and also some senior members of the opposition. I would like to appeal to each one of you, please arrive at some sort of consensus to see that the House functions normally. In order to facilitate discussion among yourselves, I am adjourning the House to meet on Monday.